Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to prepare for a pumping session the night before and why this simple habit can make your mornings much easier. Many mothers have busy mornings filled with feeding, getting ready for work, and caring for their baby. Preparing a few things the night before can help reduce stress and save valuable time. One helpful habit is to clean and dry all pump parts after the last session of the day. Having everything ready means you can begin your next session without rushing. Many mothers also prepare their storage containers in advance. Keeping them clean, labeled, and easy to reach helps make the routine more organized. Packing your pump bag before going to bed is another simple step. If you plan to leave the house the next day, having everything packed can make mornings much smoother. Some mothers also like to place a bottle of water near their pumping area, so they remember to stay hydrated during their session. Keeping all pumping supplies together in one location can also save time. A dedicated basket or drawer makes it easier to find everything you need. Preparing the night before is not about doing extra work. It is about making tomorrow's routine feel simpler and more relaxed. Even small habits can have a big impact when they are repeated every day. Over time, these simple preparations become part of a comfortable routine. Every mother's schedule is different, so create a preparation routine that fits your lifestyle and daily responsibilities. With a little planning, good organization, and consistency, your pumping routine can start each day feeling calm, simple, and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.